So ito na nga ang aking Rubash na panalunan last week. Oh! Di ba pang andar? Are you happy for me? Thank you. As in, hagalpak ako sa kanya kasi ang dami niyang entry dito. Gumagano'n pa siya sa air eh. Nagpapahep-hep pa siya sa air. Hindi lang na air. Hindi na air. As in, ang lala ng kaba niya dito. Parang paiyak na siya. Dahil parang 2 hours na yung nakalipas. Wala pa siyang na-start. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, girl, kumilos ka na. Kailangan mo ng kumilos. Talak si mama. Nakakatakot si Panjina.
Really?
Oh, really? Talagang may...
Yung pagka-bottom ni Ari, bottom ko na din.
Chusera, jowa, Bernie. Pagka-bottom ni Ari, bottom ko na din.
Okay, fine, I'll go. Jesus. Fair time.
Nasa dulo na lang ako dun, ha? Welcome once again dito sa Venus Reacts. So for today's video, we're gonna be reacting sa episode 3 of Drag Race Philippines Installation Royale. And this week, we're gonna do a design challenge. So let's watch. Come on. Okay, let's go. So last week, we did our girl group challenge and I won that episode. Can you imagine? So ito na nga ang aking Rubash na panalunan last week. Oh! Di ba pang andar? Are you happy for me? Thank you. May comment sa baba. Kakahiya.
You are winner, baby! Which queen have you chosen to get the karate? It's something wrong. Something wrong. Sashay away.
I'm so sorry, Something Wong. I know you did great last episode. You did amazing job in your girl group singing your part. And your runway is not the worst, but I don't know. It's maybe your time for me. And I hope you understand that you're still my daddy. Daddy!
Nakakalungkot pala, no, na makitang umuwi ang iyong sister, tapos dahil pa sa iyo. So, I'm so sorry, Something. I think this is a validation of my drag and my artistry, so this really means a lot to me, so I'm so happy.
Yes, thank you so much. This really like validates my artistry as a singer. So, thank you so much. Ang sarap sa feeling. Kakaloka. Salamat.
My game plan is to focus because I almost
Lahat kumakanta. Iba din talaga yung mga... Siam's song is different. Iba din talaga. Siam's song is something... Yeah, it's something else because everybody is singing it. Ano, may soundbite yung ano ko.
It's a new week in the world. I feel like a lion because
Nakakatawa yung I feel like a lion but she's wearing a tiger outfit.
I feel like the queens are happy sa Rubash ko. So, sana totoo? Totoo ba? Ano the evidence on confessionals nila? Me, I'm less in my head now.
In fairness naman, lahat ng sisters ko happy for my Rubash. Ang mga hindi happy ay yung mga nagko-comment sa Facebook. Captivating, tsara.
Ano magagawa ko? Magaling yung mga Pinoy.
Fairness naman, ang mga Pinoy talaga kailangan galingan dahil magagaling lang talaga Pinoy.
Leave it all on the runway.
Leave it all on the runway. It's a design challenge. Our maxi challenge this week is a design challenge. Hindi ko alam kung napansin nyo ha. I don't know if you've noticed, but our outfits are like the past weeks that we've been here, the top queens, naka-display lahat yung mga outfit namin doon sa likod.
I'll give you 15 minutes to get in your sexy swimwear. Quick drag. Alright, please. Go, come on.
Nakakaloka tong sexy swimwear quick drag na to. I think we were only given like 5 minutes to prepare.
This is a fast-paced challenge, okay? We'll be testing your coordination, your memory, and your quick reflexes. I'm good with
Reflex. Actually, Pepe Pore is about reflex talaga.
I'm not keeping coffee yet at that time, probably.
Kaya po ba eh. Alam nyo, nakakatawa kasi when we were doing the Kep Bube, Mama Pao whispering to us na dapat ibigay na namin sa mga international queens.
Hindi ko sa kanila yun. Sinadya ko yun.
Pinagbigyan ko lang talaga sila. Sa totoo lang. Charing. Alam nyo, buong season, dito ako pinakatawang-tawa kay Mama po. As in, hagalpak ako sa kanya. Kasi ang dami niyang entry dito. Gumagano'n pa siya sa ere. Nagpapahep-hep pa siya sa ere. Hindi lang na air.
I had so much fun because I don't know why I took this stupid pose like
Actually, Kitty and Suki dolls doing the same voicing. Tapos, ewan ko, bakit na ginagawa yun? Okay naman ang sister ko, nanalo pa!
Hindi ko makakapagawa ng tip or buffet sa 20,000 pesos, pero pwede na. Still grateful, thank you.
May sa still grateful, may ano pa eh.
Each leaf was carefully created by collecting real cacao leaves and treating them to preserve their natural structure. From their farms,
Bongga, niluluto siya. Para magka-color. Oh my God, mas na-appreciate ko siya ngayon. Thank you so much, Out of Chocolate.
I think I will be choosing someone who is believed to be one of the most successful. So, I'm giving the last pick to...
Nakakatawa kasi nung nandito kami sa episode na to, di ba yung line brigading, I'm choosing someone who's the most successful in the drag industry. Tapos naalala ko sabi ni Mama Pao, oh, napili mo ako.
No opinions enough.
So, I'm gonna go with white.
So ayan, namimili na kami ng aming mga magiging leaves. Napunta sa akin ang white. Actually, nahirapan ako mamili. But alam ko na kung bakit ko napili ang white. Because when I am styling hairs, when I style wigs, yung mga light colors gives more depth and definition. Like the blonde ones, it's the most visually appealing for a design than that. Kasi hindi makikita yung dark colors. So that's why I chose white color.
I want to be gagged, so better start working. Slations, go!
Oh my God, I didn't know that I have this, mannerism of biting my nails. I've been biting my nails.
Okay, so what I want to do for this challenge is to not be in the bottom.
Oh my God, sabi ni Arizona, what I want to do in this challenge is not to be in the bottom.
See, in design, there's no such thing as disadvantage. You just have to roll with what you have, and drag teaches you that.
Mother Suki is pretty mothering. In design, there's no disadvantage. You just gotta work with what you have.
Yoha, Suki,
Kinausap ba yung look ko, yung sketch ko?
Oh, you're planning to create.
Oh my God, tingnan niyo naman yung design ko. I'm so proud of my sketch. Vision ko lang yung sketch, parang okay, dito pupunta yung dahon, tas dito, tas okay, nasa imagination. Nasa imagine ko na yon. Nasa imagine.
Parang gusto ko makita nila to, tapos parang, oh my God, gusto ko maiyak sila. Di mo ginugit. We will be joined by our extra special guest judge, one of the main judges of Drag Race Philippines, Jervy Calgary-Ryson.
Sobrang galing magsalita. The comments are beautiful always.
I love to see Karen back again. Kasi during our season, sa kanya pinakatuwang-tuwa yung parents ko kasi sinabihan niya ako na pwede akong artista. Huh? Me? Why? And Pangina Heels! Oh my God, I'm so excited to be judged by Pangina Heels because I know it will come from a place of love and respect. And I know I will learn something from her.
So I know that Venus Deluxe's creation will be the competition in this week.
Aw, thank you, sister.
I love seeing her na confidence.
Ano ba to? Si Mama Jose! Sino nag-research ito? Oh my God, itsura namin! Nakakaloka to! Alam niyo, pandemic times to, when we don't have stage to perform, we perform in our bedrooms just to, make a living, number one, and to entertain ourselves from boredom and to enjoy the pandemic. And that's when the Divine Divas were born.
That imperfection is perfect. It's also like everything we do has so many steps process and there's so many ways to go about it and to finish it or to have a way of achieving the goal. Yeah, that it's not imperfect in a way.
In fairness naman, I commend Suki for being, giving time and effort to even talk to Ivory during this time because meron lang kaming limited time and effort but, di ba, nag-advise pa siya pasabog. Runway na? Ay, ngayon ko lang nakita yung gown ni Mama Pao. Ang ganda.
Mabuhay! I'm your queen ng
I love it! It's so tasteful. Aliw na aliw pa rin ako dito sa ano. Ay! May pag-ikot! Love it!
Starting with Arizona brand. Accented with feathers.
Mata ni Panjay na talagang
Kitty's face.
sabog.
She's beautiful, futuristic nymph creature.
Love it! Kiana's look is
For this
an
runway, I am
asymmetric dress. Naku, hindi na ako magpapaka-deep masyado dito sa comment natin. Abangan nyo na lang sa Add to Cart with Minty Fresh and Versex. And malay nyo, madagdagan pa ng isang member. Let's see. Maganda din yung look ni Kiana, no? Grabe yung kaba dito ni Kiana. Hindi na air. As in, ang lala ng kaba niya dito. Parang paiyak na siya. Dahil parang 2 hours na yung nakalipas. Wala pa siyang na-start. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, girl, kumilos ka na. Kailangan mo ng kumilos. Tama na yung pagde-design. Magdikit ka na. And ayun, kumilos na si Kiana.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Pussy just arrived.
ready or not. Here she comes.
Come on, Brigading! Oh, I love the silhouette.
I am blooming but also bleeding.
I'm blooming, but also bleeding.
Red.
I am Brigading.
Ready to spread. Bitter sweetness.
Kasi red. Ready to... Bakit spread?
Tonight on the runway, I am serving you my best girl.
To be the best.
It's dark.
This is the episode that I saw that she looks like a model.
Venus Deluxe.
Oh, bitch! Oh, bitch! Oh, fuck you! For this look, ayan, nagtiwala lang tayo sa ating intuition. Naglagay ako ng sculpture ng...
May intuition na ako ngayon.
I have no words. Yeah.
Aw, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Grabe yung pakiramdam while walking on that runway. I mean, if you look good, you will feel good. Pero ang saya sa feeling na makita nag-standing ovation sila and pati yung mga staff sa studio, may mga pumapalakpak and same feeling as my first design challenge experience na yung mga cameraman sinasabi na kay Venus to. Naririnig ko kahit hindi naman kami introduced with each other. So hindi ko sila kilala pero naririnig ko sila na nagko-comment sa akin. Parang ang fulfilling and ang validating. Now it's Mother Suki.
Something real.
And honestly, I'm doing this asymmetrical look with the gold flicking through the top to the bottom, having a crown that goes around the neck.
Pati yung katawan niya is included sa design, even the shoes and even the hair. So it's a complete look. It's a boot for me. Charay! I love you, Mother.
Bernie.
Kasi sa taas ay tila mabango, pero sa baba, yun nga lang.
Sa taas ay tila mabango. Pero hindi pa sure. Mukha lang mabango. Tapos sa baba, yun nga lang.
You are.
She's so hot.
Eh.
Walking down this runway, I'm feeling what?
Parehas pala kaming may pamaypay. And long train. I didn't know.
A bit of punk rock.
Now it's time for the judges' critiques. First up, Arizona branding.
I found your confidence on stage. You were able to actually sell us your outfit. However, I just felt like the outfit could have been improved.
Can you turn around as well? It seems messy in the back. It seems messy in the back, and that's what I noticed as well, but...
Talak si Mama. Nakakatakot si Panjina.
The dress seamlessly connect to your whole outfit.
It is. It's so... I can't move.
And with your hair.
Oh, it's connected. Oh, yeah. I remember. She's having a hard time the whole night.
I like that you were always thinking out of the box in terms of your look. However, where is the ass?
Your breastplate is a different color to your face and your body, number one. Number two, your G-string is so loose it ends up looking more like a diaper than a G-string. You need to consider the polished quality. You're on a show that is seen all around the world.
Next time,
What?
I just felt like you could have improved more in terms of the structure of the outfit and the use of leaves in some parts.
To be fair, parang medyo natagalan din si Ivory mag-design dito. Actually, parang the last 2 hours na lang yata niya ginawa. Hindi ko maalala ha. Pero parang hindi niya masyado na-utilize yung time. And masyado siyang nag-focus in creating or imagining what she wants to do. But...
Sorry.
I want to apologize.
Doon natawa yung mga tao kanina nung pinapayan ko siya. Bakit?
Baby, you have to understand something. We're not fucking superhumans. We can't excel in every single challenge. So just because you trip and you fall does not mean you can't get back up and kill the next fucking challenge. I understand that you're frustrated and sometimes you do fall, but this is a competition. We're gonna tell you the truth, but just know that next week there's an opportunity for you to play.
Grabe si Pangina, the passion.
So don't ever let that get to you.
Genius Deluxe.
Hi. You must not be hungry because bitch, you ate. You fucking ate.
Thank you. Kala ko 7 lang, 8 pala.
It is not crafty, it's couture.
Thank you!
And I can say that you ticked all the boxes.
Aww,
This
thank
is
you.
$1 million look, baby.
Aww, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Farmers of Davao, for creating this masterpiece. No, yung mga leaves pa lang, they are an art in itself. And kung wala sila, hindi ako mananalo. Wala kaming gagamitin. I think pwede nyo din orderin yan and i-recreate sa inyong mga bahay, pang display sa bahay nyo or whatsoever. And I'm gonna wear that look in my next The Intervention sa Rampa, sa aming viewing party. So if you wanna see this look up in person, just go to Rampa. See ya.
Suki doll. Bonjour.
It's giving me fashion, it's giving me couture, and it's so well thought of, and I love it.
Jeremy.
My gosh, your look is amazing. Teal is quite a tricky color when you mix it with a non-complementary color, but that gold looks fabulous with a teal.
Pasabog yung look ni, ni Suki Doll. Magkano kaya ang presyo nito kung ibibenta niya to, no? Kung ako yung nanalo, dapat mas mahal ako maningil sa kanya.
Genius Deluxe. It is space. Congratulations, you are the top.
Top to kasi!
Genius Deluxe. It is space. Congratulations, you are the So while you queens deliver it in the
Sino kaya? Tanggalin na natin si Arizona. Sige.
Suki, ang bigas for sure. Yeah. Suki is your convenience. Yeah. So given, so convenience.
I thought you were gonna be on top.
Thank you. Actually.
Okay lang. So we think Suki and Mia.
May pag-iinarte din to si Brigading talaga eh.
Yeah.
So they're saying.
I'm in the bottom two.
Oh, sure. Yeah. Oh yes, she is.
With who? With
Me.
as Shaka. Oh, really?
Oh, really? Talagang may...
Doon ako na-shock. Because I thought Arizona Brandy got my spot at the top.
I don't know how to feel actually. We thought you were safe. I'm so embarrassed.
Aww. Grabe yung fire and passion talaga ni Arizona about this. Hindi niya talaga ako tinitingnan sa mata during this time. Sinabi niya din yun eh kasi...
I was just at the top. I fell again here. I did bad, but my season I did really bad. And all I did was to lip sync for my life. But like,
Yung pagka-bottom ni Ari, bottom ko na din.
I wanna stay because this is not.
Chusera, jowa, Bernie. Pagka-bottom ni Ari, bottom ko na din.
I know I'm gonna.
In fairness naman, maganda yung look ni Ari kahit sa personal. It looks presentable. But, ayun na nga, sa brief, we should use the leaves, not fabric. And feeling ko dun lang siya nabaril.
Kung gusto ko manalo ng madali, pwede kong tanggalin yung mahirap na kalaban. Pero, lagot ako sa mga fans.
Di ba? Gano'n.
I trust Venus. I hope she saves me.
Nahirapan ako
Mag-hope
kasi
ka lang. Tsare.
Parehas sila may gustong patunayan, di ba? Parang gusto nilang bumawi pareho from
Love ko yan sa Arizona.
regular season.
This Sapakira symbolizes purity and simplicity. The complete opposite of both of you. Sluts.
Sluts.
Two top slations stand before me.
Woohoo! Another lip sync for me.
Lip sync performance of Winner Winner by
Panjay the heels. The time has come for you to lip sync for your legacy.
Oh my God, ito na yun.
Kitty. Hello.
To Kitty. Hello.
Good luck, queens. At dapat pakak.
Sa'yo sa likod kasi nag-share sila lahat. Alam nyo, dinadissect ko yung kanta na to. Kasi parang konti lang ang prep time for this song. So, dinisect ko talaga per line kung anong gagawin ko. Anong pag sinabi to, whacking. May lyrics na whacking. So, whacking, gano'n yung gagawin ko. Sa banggit tong lyrics ito. So, ni-unitize ko. That's the proper term na ginagamit namin sa theater. And, ayan. Kasi yung step ko dyan, step yan ng misis. Peasant and rocking.
Go kitty, queen. Oh shit, you don't know much.
Shit, nakailang split na ako ngayong season. At least nabigay ako. Hindi ko sinolo yung mga tips. So, lagi tayo nag-share sa mga sisters natin. Mukhang nag-effort din naman.
Venus Deluxe. You're a winner, baby!
Yay!
Congratulations, you've earned the Catstep Venus Deluxe. 80,000 pesos plus a 1-year supply of our products courtesy of
Dalawa na ang romance ko. What? Ha? Baliktad pa. At fun fact, wig ni Brigading yung suot ko dun sa design challenge nung unang season. Nanalo ako. Ngayon, wig ulit ni Brigading ang aking suot. Nanalo ko ulit.
Now,
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
please step
Lahat kinakabahan dito.
Which queen have you chosen to get the karate chop?
Oh my God, no, Pao. This decision is actually so hard for me because I don't know who to eliminate. My biggest threat in the competition or my biggest crush. Charing.
Nagpatawa pa eh, no? At least, di ba, honest.
But I have to stay with my belief, and the queen that I've chosen to get the chop, the karate chop rather, is, I'm sorry, sister, Ivory.
Ivory Glaze. As it is written,
Love you, Ivory! Sorry!
good luck. Have fun with no one attractive left in the castle.
What? Shady talaga siya.
Thank you, Ivory. Oh, if I find again, can I stay next episode? Yes. Yes? Oh, okay. Okay, fine, I'll go. Jesus.
Airtime.
Nasa dulo na lang ako nun ha. Nakapagsalita pa ako ng airtime.
I'm feeling pretty terrible right now. Putanya means good morning. I learned that over here. Alright, bye.
Aww.
On Drag Race Philippines, Season Royale. Get ready to be crazy! Because tomorrow you'll be starring in a musical production entitled
Oh my God, Rusical, no! Exciting next episode. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo this episode? Kung nag-enjoy kayo, tingin ko deserve ko naman yung panalo this episode. Kung tingin nyo, yes, why? Give me 5 words sa comment section. 5 words lang, wag kang bobo. Pero thank you for staying up until this time kasi we're staying late as well. And we love you for that. Love you for that. Love that for you. Once again, this is Venus Deluxe. Bye-bye.